Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Now today I'll be showing you how I make my steamed fish and crackers. But before we jump into this video, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss another video. So let's get started. Now I'm going to season the fish. I'm using a mixture of Maggie fish seasoning, salt and black pepper. And I'm going to season this and allow it to sit for about 10 minutes. Now I'm gonna add about a tablespoon of coconut oil to my pot and saute these veggies for a little bit. So I'm gonna saute these for about 2 to 3 minutes. Now to that I'm gonna add some Maggi seasoning. You season as you go along so you build your flavors up. I'm gonna add my Grace fish flavor mix. You can add as little or as much as you like. Now I'm gonna add some water, just enough water to cover the veggies where they can steam. We don't want a lot here because we're not making soup. Cover and simmer for about 2 to 3 minutes. Now we're going to check the veggies to see if it reached the softness level that we want. Taste as you go along, guys, to see if you need more seasoning. Now that it has reached the desired texture and softness that I'm looking for, I'm going to add the fish to the pot. Now you just want to move the veggies around and make some space for the fish. And the fish does not take long to cook, so once we put the fish in and we get it sorted out, we just want to cook this for a minimum of 4 to 5 minutes. We don't want to overcook the fish. Now guys, the fish is ready and I'm gonna add, I just turned off the heat and I'm gonna add the crackers and allow the heat to soften them. You don't need to cook the crackers, you just need to just put them in and cover and let it sit and steam and get soft. And there you have it guys, steamed fish and crackers with okra up and ready. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more amazing recipe, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss when I put up a new video. Until then, I'll see you in another video. Thanks for watching guys.